Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through how to send money with emojis on cashback. So first, open your Cash app and then tap the $Pay button. Now enter the payment amount that you like. Then enter the cash tax phone number or email. Then use the form field to type any notes, descriptions, and include your emoji. For example, dinner as pizza emoji. Then tap Pay to send, and lastly, confirm using your PIN, Face ID, or Touch ID. The emoji will show alongside the payment in both your history and recipient's feed. But why use emojis? To add clarity. So if I use this burgers emoji as lunch, it instantly explains the payment without long notes. And next, personal touch. It makes casual payment feel more conversational. And lastly, cultural notes. So it's a part of modern peer-to-peer ethic as highlighted in Cash App, that's Money Report. Food emojis like tacos, cocktails, and pizzas are hugely popular. So the best practice for emoji payments, use emoji for context and clarity only, keep them light and relevant, and avoid emojis that may misinterpret under fraud detections, such as fire, eggplant, heart, bomb, or leaf. Then never rely on emojis to unlock or verify pending payments. Only use official in-app or support methods if things get stuck. And lastly, if a payment doesn't appear, refresh your apps or relaunch it rather than depending solely on emoji to fix it. So emojis are a fun and contextual way to spice up payment notes on Cash App, but clarity and cautious matter. Avoid risky emojis and do not rely on them for transaction fix-up, and always double-check what you are sending. Paid perks like Cash App's memos make payments feel more personal, but your account safety comes first. So comment below which emoji you used. Hit the like button, subscribe for simple tech tips. Thanks for learning with me, and I will see you in my next video.